Hi guys, it's Miss Michelle from MMG Speech and Language Therapy. Today I'm here to teach you some signs for Valentine's Day. First, we'll start with the sign for Valentine's. It's your middle fingers down in a heart, Valentine's Day. The next one I'm going to teach you guys is love. Love. You could also say, I love you, or I love you. It's really that I, an L, and a Y combined to say, I love you. Another one for Valentine's Day might be date. So you're going on a date. So meeting the two D's together, date. D-shaped hand, date. Maybe chocolate. Maybe you're going to give or receive some chocolate. It's the letter C shape on a flat hand, chocolate. Or maybe candy. Another one might be red, the color red. So you stroke your lip one time, red. So to review, we have Valentine's Day, we had date, we had love, I love you, red, chocolate, candy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this and you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Thank you.